Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to prepare mutton liver gravy. This recipe is quite simple but delicious that one cannot resist to have more of it. It's a healthy recipe where mutton liver is high in nutrition value. It's rich in vitamin A and it's a good source of iron, best for the increase in HP levels. So let's see how it's prepared. You need 3 big onions sliced, then 1 tomato sliced, and then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and oil, and then cumin powder 3/4 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, then coriander powder 1 teaspoon, and then chili powder 1/2 teaspoon, mutton liver 300 grams, and then coriander leaves, and then you need spice powder 1 teaspoon. To prepare the spice powder, take 2 cardamom and then 1 big cinnamon stick and then 3 cloves. Grind them to fine powder and we'll be using 1 teaspoon of it. Then turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. To prepare the gravy, heat a pan, add in 2 tablespoons of groundnut oil or sesame oil, and then add in the thinly sliced onions. Saute them till they turn golden brown color. Then add in the ginger garlic paste. Saute it for a minute. Now add in the mutton liver pieces. Roast them for a minute in medium flame. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and give it a mix. Then cover and cook it for 2 minutes. Now add in the tomato. Give it a good mix. Now cover the pan till the tomatoes turn soft. Now add in the turmeric powder. Give it a mix and then add in the chili powder. Remember to keep in low flame while adding the chili powder. Now add in the coriander powder and give it a good mix. Then add 1 cup of water. Give it a good mix and cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, open the lid and check whether the liver pieces are cooked. Yes, it's cooked. Now add in the spice powder, then the cumin powder, then mix it well. Check for salt and add if needed. Now in this stage, if you want more gravy, add in a cup of hot water. At last, add in the pepper powder and give it a good mix. Finally, add in the chopped coriander leaves and give it a good stir. That's it. Mutton liver gravy is ready. It's too easy to prepare. You can have it with chapati, roti, or even ghee rice. Do give a try, and thank you for watching.